I am going to be showing you some beautiful fine jewelry today because I have made a couple of custom-made rings and necklaces and bracelets for girls that are getting engaged, and they're incredible. I'm also going to get a little bit personal with you guys today, and I'm going to be sharing a couple of I was a little bit frustrated the last couple of weeks because my business had reached a plateau, and it didn't matter what I did. It had just plateaued, and I was so frustrated, and eventually I became very burned out because it's like, if you're a business owner, you can totally maybe relate to this. It's like you try and you try and you try, and when you're not getting results for the time that you're putting in, it's quite discouraging. And I made this one little change to my business. I did it this weekend, and I was amazed. I got over $2,000 in sales just in a couple of hours. If this resonates with you at all, if you have a business and you've hit a plateau and you don't know what to do to get out of it and you're quite frustrated, maybe I can help. Leave me a comment or DM me, and hopefully I can give you some light and you can implement this little hack that I did on my business that really, honestly, just skyrocketed my sales. I was in my office in downtown around 7 o'clock this morning. I picked up all the pieces that were done that need to be delivered today. So I'm going to show you what I have here before it gets shipped out. I love to film these videos on days where I have a lot of new pieces because these are unique pieces that they get sent out and we don't see them anymore. Not all of the pieces that I'm going to be showing you are designs that are custom made for clients. A lot of these pieces are designs that I think you guys are gonna love, and I wanted to make it for you guys. Before I pop you guys into your tripod, because I have to work, I am going to show you what I'm wearing. You guys know that this is my favorite color in the entire world, so I am wearing my sweater. It's actually cold in Miami today. The cold has gotten here and it's cold. It's cold and I love it, and I wish it would stay cold, but obviously it's not gonna stay cold. I am wearing my Pearl by the Yard necklace, and I'm wearing my huge 10mm pearls, fresh water pearls. These are Akoya pearls and I love them. Funny fact that you guys don't know about me, I have loved pearls ever since I'm like in middle school. I used to go to middle school with my uniform every day. I remember I was 13 years old wearing a pearl necklace to school, like a real pearl necklace that I got from my grandma. And I wore that pearl necklace all throughout middle school and high school every single day with my school uniform. I love pearls. I just think that they are so classy, and I love just the light that they bring to your face. They just bring light to your face. I am going to show you guys where I'm gonna put you, and this is where you're going to go. I'm going to put you up there and we're gonna get cracking. First order is going to Jasmine Barcelo in California. This is a 0.60 carat emerald ring on a very dainty 14 karat gold band. This stack right here is for Donna. She lives in California. How cool is that? This is a diamond spiral ring. This is new collection. This is a diamond eternity band. It comes in yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. She can also wear it like this, and it's a completely different vibe. These are just like great stackers to stack or to wear alone. So Donna has this ring. She also got this emerald necklace that has a diamond halo, and this is going to look so beautiful with her ring. This set is stunning. Wow. I can't wait for her to receive it because she's going to be so happy. This diamond letter E in yellow gold and natural diamonds is also going out to California. This is going out to Shannon. So let's pack up her order. What's interesting about this order is that right now we are going to be shipping her this diamond tennis necklace. This is real diamonds of 14 karat gold. but she ordered this necklace. She ordered the vermeil a couple of months ago, and I guess she used it and she used it and she used it and she loved it so much that she was like, you know, I really want this in real diamonds, and can you make it for me? And I was like, yeah, sure, of course, we can make it for you. And it's super funny because her husband reached out to me on DMs on Instagram, and he was like, you know, my wife can't know anything, but I want to gift her this for her birthday. So he was the one that actually ordered it for her, and now we're packing it up and we're sending it to her with an order that she did make, because she did order the initial necklace with the diamonds, but she has no idea that she's going to get this diamond tennis necklace. So we're gonna package it super beautiful for her, and we're gonna ship it off because it's her birthday in 2 days, and her husband is gonna surprise her with her diamond tennis necklace. How cute is that? This next piece is so special because it's in rose gold, and rose gold is so hard to find. This is a rose gold girl. This is going to Vicky. She lives in Ohio. My mom actually wears one of these around her neck in yellow gold. I gifted it to her. I believe it was for her birthday last year. She loves it. She never takes it off. This is a new collection piece. It's a pin earring with diamonds and 14 karat gold. It comes in white, rose, and yellow gold. There's two versions of it, one with the diamond head only, and the other one is completely blinged out. This is an earring that was made popular by Tamara Kalanick. She has a very similar one. It looks amazing on her, and I know that a lot of you are going to love it because I have gotten so many requests for this one earring. I finished packing all my orders for jewelry and for shoes. I'm sending out to Andrea, Vernita, Gloria, Angela, Christine, Tamara, Natiara, Inayara, Ausra, Patricia, Brenda, Osidide, Gloricelda, Grace, Eileen, Mary, Natalie, Osiris, Naveen, Kimberly. We're gonna go drop them off at the post office now. Then I have to go to my office in downtown, and we'll come back home. Hello, my loves. I've just gotten back from downtown. I was in my office in the atelier, and I have picked up a package that has just arrived for me. I've been waiting for this for a couple weeks, so I wanted to open it up together with you guys. Oh wow, let's undo this. Oh, I'm so scared to break something. I wanted to have beautiful china when I eat. I need everything to be really beautiful around me at all times in order for me to get inspired. So I live a very inspiring life, but because I try to make everything beautiful throughout my day. Already I have too much stress and too many things are happening around in the world that the only thing I have control of is to just making my little moments in every day just as enjoyable as possible in the simplest form. So there's more. Look at this, how beautiful. I used to have this when I was living in Norway a couple of years ago, but I had the baby blue set, and when I left Norway I had to leave it there because I couldn't travel with that to London. And ever since then I really miss waking up to my beautiful china breakfast every day in the morning. I ordered this a couple of weeks ago and it finally arrived. Wow. So I ordered 4 of these. So this is the coffee or the teacup with the plate. We got so much done today in the atelier, and actually we got so many beautiful pieces. I was able to bring some of them because they were finished. I'm going to show them to you. Let's put on something. Spotify! We need some piano music in our lives. I ordered this for the sugar. Look how beautiful, you guys. The details on this is incredible. It has a little lovebird on the top. Has a little lovebird on the top. Look at it. This is a saucer. Look at the details on this. How beautiful. These are the breakfast plates. So as you can see, it's red and it has this beautiful gold detail around. This is the lovebird set. I got 4 of these. And you know what these are? Look inside. Ah, there's little eggs inside. How adorable are these? This is so you can put your little poached egg in the morning, or when you set it up in the table, it all looks so cute. Then I got this plate, which is one of their serving food plates. Let's say that we just want to put like toasts here in the morning, or like if you're having tea time and you want to put all the biscuits here. This is basically what this plate is for. It's so cute. This is a gigantic bowl. I got it because I have been changing my diet and just being a little bit more mindful of what I eat and making sure that I eat as healthy as I can, because I literally did fall off the wagon for a couple of months, and I was able to see the results of that because I started having like bloated every time that I ate, and that it's a really bad reaction in your body from you eating the food that you're not supposed to eat. So this is because in my every meal for lunch and dinner, I have to fill this up with salad. It has to be this much salad that I eat, and this is going to be my bowl. I am going to also be ordering more plates, like the serving plates, but I didn't order them this time because I had never seen this lovebirds in red, and I wanted to see it in person to decide how I was going to order the other ones. So this is so cool. I'm so excited. I have made myself a tuna sprout sandwich, and we are going to enjoy it outside with the sunset in our new china. We're gonna have some tea, and after I'm done having, that's actually my breakfast and my lunch and my dinner, because I literally did not have any time to eat today other than what I drank this morning, which was a matcha and my green powder that I have every day. Let's go and eat because I'm starving. Sí, sí.
No te entiendo. Entonces sí te entendí.
So we are gonna go meet my girlfriend Arina, who I haven't seen since before summer. So I haven't seen Arina probably since April. After that, I went to Ibiza for the summer. She was traveling also in the summer, and now she is in Miami. Just today, she's leaving back to New York tomorrow, and I'm gonna meet her and some friends in Casa Tua. We're gonna go for dinner, and I'm so happy because I have missed her so much. You guys know Arina. You guys know Arina from my previous videos.
We had a lovely dinner. It was fantastic. We took this picture. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it. Now I am back home. I realized I haven't shown you my new updates. This is my living room, pretty minimalistic, just very architectural. We got this new chair. It's just a work of art in itself. There's a new mirror where you guys saw this in my last vlog. We put a little carpet. And right now, this is what we have going on, just nice and cozy and minimalistic. There are many furniture that are still missing, but little by little, I am going to make myself a cup of tea, and I'm going to go to bed now.
I am finally in bed with a very red nose because I was picking at it. I am going to definitely go and wash my face
now, but I wanted to just talk to you a little bit. I'm going to watch a couple of vlogs of my favorite YouTubers because that's what I love to do. That's like my little treat at the end of the day, and I haven't had time to do that all week because I was so busy. This week kicked my butt, like it kicked my butt, but I got so many things done, and I'm just really happy that I was able to get out of this rut that I was at with my business. I am really happy with where it is now, and I'm just happy to be working on things that really make me happy and bring me joy every single day. Right now it is Friday evening, so I hope that tomorrow morning when you guys wake up on Saturday, you are going to watch this vlog, and I wish you all have a beautiful Saturday. On Sunday, which is tomorrow, I'm going to upload a Zara haul styling video because I did go to Zara yesterday, but I didn't have time to edit that into this video, so watch out for that video tomorrow, Sunday. On Monday, I am doing a photo shoot with my girlfriend Katya for my new jewelry collection because we need to put it on somebody to make it really beautiful. I can't shoot it on myself, it's very difficult. I'm also going to be creating a link where any of you that are interested in pieces from the new jewelry collection, I want you guys to just put your name and your email there. That way I know that you guys are interested, and then those are the people that are going to get first pick to the pieces because I don't have a lot of them. I just made very few of each one. There's a lot of different models and styles, but they're so beautiful. I think I showed you some of them in this video, right? Yeah, you guys saw some of them. I am delirious right now. I love you. You guys are gonna get another vlog from me tomorrow, so that's great. I'm probably now gonna go watch vlogs that I see here that I have of Just Lou, Lydia, Monroe Steele. I have like a good 3.5 hours, so I'm gonna go to sleep pretty late tonight. I want to sleep in a little bit tomorrow, Saturday. I deserve it. I've been waking up so early all of this week. I love you guys. Enjoy your Saturday. Bye.